Thanks for clicking. So today I'm going to be unboxing Glow Addict Beauty Box. I just wanted to say a huge thank you and shout out to my 10 subscribers. Hi! Appreciate you guys. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. And if you came across the video and you're not a subscriber, I would love you to hit subscribe and like, of course. Alright, but back to the box. It's a monthly subscription of $21.99. You gotta include tax, sadly. It's 5 to 7 full or sample size beauty products, which is a lot more than I've seen so far. So right there, it's off to a great start. So first off, you get the bubble wrap. You open it up and see what the beauty fairies gave you. First on the list is Origins Clear Improvement, and this is a charcoal mask, and this retails for $13. So as per the instructions, you have to open the pores with a warm moist towel. Warm moist towel. That's all warm and moist. There it is. There's a little dollop of the stuff. I thought charcoal was supposed to be black. Ooh, ooh. Girl, I just washed my face and oh, my nose is tingling. This is not a peel-off mask. So while I'm waiting for this to set in place, it's looking really silvery, like really metallic-y. I'm gonna reach into the box and see what else I can find. It's a 3-piece Pro Brush Trio, and this set apparently retails for $29.99. So I just washed off the Clear Origins charcoal mask. I wouldn't say it cleared my pores. I mean, I washed my face before I actually put it on. Face looks dry though, so I'm just gonna move on to putting makeup on. Alright, so I put some foundation on and I'm ready to see what's next. It looks like I have a 4-pack of Ruby May Eyeshadows, and they're single packs. Look at that, it came with a magnetic, so this is Sun-Dazed, this is Sahara, this is Jubilee, and then this is Mirage, and this is what they all look like magnetized. Each of these little compacts runs $3.50 each, and I couldn't find the cost of this little thing. So this first color is Sahara. Next one up is Sun-Dazed. This is gonna be Mirage, and this is Jubilee. But this is Sahara. Next up, I went in with the color Sun-Dazed, which is right here. Really light orangey yellow. It's almost like a sunset. This look is a little bolder than what I usually go for, but it's because I wanted you to see the difference in the colors. Okay, so next up I have the Jubilee, which is this color right here. I think it looks beautiful. I'm so happy with how this shows up. So last color I went in with was Mirage, which is this color right here. Like, these are all 4 colors. I'm not really sure if you can see them all, but they look beautiful on my skin. I am pleasantly surprised with Ruby May. I have the Eyeko London waterproof liquid eyeliner. I actually just got this in my Ipsy bag, and this is what it looks like. Hey, don't judge me. I'm still working on my cat eye game. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay, I have Ooh La lashes, and they retail for $7.99. Alright, so I am back, and these are the lashes for $7.99. I feel like such a diva right now. I feel like Rich Lux.
Okay guys, we need to talk.
So next up, we have Glow Amplifier, and I'm pretty sure this is a highlighter from So Susan. Comes with a mirror, and these are the 4 colors included. Ooh, and it's a cream highlighter. Sly, Untouchable, which I think is what would work for me. This is Strange, and this is Avant-Garde. I kind of went a little ham, as you can tell, and it's a cream highlighter. It runs $48. This is the color Strange. I can see why all those beauty gurus are always making like the model moves. Once you put lashes on, it just makes everything extra. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ugh, Tyra. Last item on the list is Smashbox This color is B57. Since there's no card, it also doesn't tell you the quantity. The estimate that I could get online said $29. I'm not positive, but if you know better, let me know. Oh, wow. I am completely blown away with everything that was included in this box. For $22, get the hell out of here. It looks great. It looks fantastic. That's my opinion anyway. Let me know if you have a different opinion. If you think I look like a clown, you should be on another channel. So that was January's unboxing of Glow Addict. And I got a grand total worth of stuff of $151.98. And I feel pretty freaking fabulous. I don't know about you, but I'm happy with the look. Doing some Amber Shoal right here.
So glam, so extra.
If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll leave a link down below. As you can see from behind me, I have a lot more unboxings and unbaggings to do. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.